Hi, this video is for anybody who'd like to know the difference that the single jointed and the double jointed bit makes in the horse's mouth. I'm Jackie Richards. I've run busy riding centres for over 25 years, and now I've designed a site called horsecareandconnection.com that covers all aspects of horse care, including fitting tack, rugs, illnesses like colds, flu, laminitis, and colic. It has loading, how to get your horse to lift its feet correctly. It's got a problem-solving section and a in-hand tricks and training section and a ridden section as well. So if you'd like a really comprehensive guide for looking after your horse, then please check out my site, horsecareandconnection.com. Okay, I've got my trusty helper here, Stevie, that's going to help me show you how these bits work. So first of all, we've got the single jointed snaffle. Now it's called this because it's got a single joint in the middle. And as you can see, when I pull the reins, it has a nutcracker action. So Stevie's going to pretend that she's the horse's mouth and put her hand there. As I pull the reins, the bit closes in and that would crush the tongue. This joint here would push into the roof of the mouth. The sides would go into the bars of the horse's mouth. So that's the gap in between the front teeth and the back teeth. It's got a very thin covering of gum. And so this bit would go on it and make it quite sore. So when I'm steering and I pull one rein, it's got a very clear action. If you let go for a minute, Stevie, as I pull one rein, it moves across like this, and the other rein, it moves across like this. So the actual aid is very clear. So here we go, Stevie. So if I pull these reins, you can see how tight it is. That hurts. Yes, Stevie? So yep. Not good. Right, if you let go there. Now this is a double jointed snaffle. You can have all different centerpieces. What you must make sure is that it's nice and smooth, hasn't got any sharp bits or bits that might pinch the horse. So this is quite big actually and quite chunky. You can get some nice little lozenges that you can use. So the action when I pull, you can see as it closes up, it isn't such a severe nutcracker action. It's a lot milder action. So Steve, if you hold on here and I pull, you can see it's not really crushing our hand very much. So again, it will crush onto the tongue, the bars of the horse's mouth, the lips, and it hasn't, if you let go for 1 second, it hasn't really got that bit that would stick up into the roof of the mouth. So it is a lot milder bit. When I pull one rein, again, it doesn't affect the other side, and when I pull the other rein, so it's a very clear steering action. The disadvantage of this bit is if you've got a horse that shakes his head around a lot, or you've got a rider who's not so secure with their hands, as they steer, they might pull across, and then this little joint here can go right onto those bars of the horse's mouth. As I've spoken about, it's quite a sensitive area, and so that could hurt a little bit. So that's why some horses don't like these bits. If you've got a young horse or a rider that's not very sensitive with their hands, then this isn't such a good bit. So I hope that's helped you with the difference between the single jointed and the double jointed and its action. Again, if you'd like any more tips or tricks, set out an easy to follow step-by-step guide, then head over to my site, horsecareandconnection.com.